January Vlogmas again. I don't know what day we're on. I think we're on day
Hi.
10 or whatever. I have not been posting videos like I should have been posting videos. It's been so hectic, and this is a failed ass Vlogmas, but it's okay because God knows my heart. Right now we're about to make Molly some mashed potatoes and some broccoli, and I think she wanted fried chicken, so that's what I'm gonna make. I just fed the boys. I'm waiting for them to like go to sleep. Molly, say hi.
Hi guys. Today we are going to take a nap and eat.
Yeah, that's what she said. Who is that coming in the house? Dun, dun, dun.
Daddy.
Dun, dun, dun. Is that Daddy? We don't know.
Daddy!
Hey, baby.
Daddy!
Daddy's home.
Hey, baby.
Hey, babe. Cook the dusting butt. Okay, so Maddox is turned over on his face. Gotta go get him. And I'm gonna season my chicken and everything, and I'm gonna show you guys how I cook and clean my food.
I think the Joker's about to be at Magic.
Oh, really? So I clean my chicken in white distilled vinegar.
Hi guys.
And
Hi
these are just
guys.
like drumsticks that I got from Food Lion. And this is not gonna be enough for me, Jeremy, and Marley. So this is the only pack that I got defrost right now. The other pack I have defrosting is out of a pot, waiting for it to be done. And yeah, I just sit it down inside some vinegar and put some clean. I usually leave it for about like 2 or 3 minutes, and then I'll rinse it off in cold water, and then I season it or whatever. So if I leave it in a little bit longer, I just kind of like that tangy kind of taste to the chicken that the vinegar like leaves on it. So yeah, so just put this in there, and then about a couple of minutes, I'm gonna put it inside some cold water. Make sure it's wash your hands. You soak after using a week. And I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes.
Today.
Okay, so I'm gonna season
I'm
my
here.
chicken.
Hi guys.
I'm gonna season it with
Hi
some
guys.
adobo.
Yeah, and the adobo is so cool. And I made some chicken. Then I can't touch the chicken. Then big people can't touch the chicken. Let me see that.
Some seasoning salt. Wash your
Yeah,
hands.
some seasoning salt, and we're going to use that for the pepper.
Black pepper.
Yeah, black pepper.
Yeah, move your hands so they can see it. And we're gonna do garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
This one is open. This one is open. And
Buzz.
last but not least, sazon.
Some salt. The cat. He's serious. You got me this, sister. You got me this, sister. Yeah.
Go give Michael his pacifier. Hurry up, and you can come back and help me. Look at my belly, you guys. After having twins in a C-section. Can't wait till I gotta work out. And I'm done. That's all gonna be gone. It's gonna be gone, girl.
It's going to be gone. It's going to be gone.
I'm using the orange one. I kind of want my chicken to be orange.
Yeah, I want your chicken to be
That's using the
orange.
regular saffron.
Yeah, it was so windy. And do you like my hair? My other hair.
Yeah, I gotta redo your hair, yeah.
Mommy needs to do my hair. And comment down below if you know what to comment.
Okay. So, I'm gonna season on my chicken.
Yeah, it's going to season on the chicken.
It's not.
Oh.
It's empty. This is empty.
Oh. I can't even touch that.
Yeah, you can't touch it.
It smells disgusting. It smells disgusting, Mom.
The garlic powder that's open. Okay.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Mommy always don't listen.
How you gonna tell me what's enough like you know how to cook? So if you see something on the side, that's my dishes. Like, I don't have nothing to put the my phone on. My selfie stick, somebody broke it.
I broke it.
Yeah. She broke it.
Mm-hmm.
I got it open already, I think.
Chicken smells good.
This is a little bit left.
This is a little. Whoa, that's a lot.
It's not a lot. I'm just gonna empty.
Oh, this empty. Yeah, I think this empty. It's empty again.
Yeah.
That's why we have some more. And this is some more too. This is not enough.
And we use that salt.
Yeah, can I get one?
Yeah, I'm gonna use one pack right now.
Yeah.
And then after I mix the chicken, I'm gonna use the other pack for seasoning.
I can do one.
Yeah, you could do this one.
Okay. Whoa. So cool.
So after the black pepper, the sazon, the garlic, and the adobo, and some seasoning salt, I'm gonna just like mix the chicken around.
Hi, Daddy. We're cooking some dinner. I already do the sauce. I'm cooking.
Yeah. That's
Mommy's cooking with me.
That's all coated and stuff. Usually,
And we're cooking to the channel.
if it's not coated enough with
Daddy,
seasoning,
say hi.
then I would like add a little bit more. But this looks
Daddy, say
so
hi.
perfect. So I watched all the episodes up until the last episode of Walking Dead. I didn't watch the last episode. I was waiting for you so we could watch the last episode.
Mommy, we already watched that movie.
Huh?
Daddy, we already watched that movie.
It's okay. Like, I just feel like there's just too much stuff going on. Like, Walking Dead is good when you're really still interested in it. If you're not really into it no more, it's not really that good.
It's not really that good.
I have so much other stuff in my mind, like Jane the Virgin. If you guys watch Jane the Virgin,
Please give you guys thumbs up.
ooh, Jane the Virgin, I love that show. Okay, so this is the flour that I'm using.
Yeah, that's
All-purpose
the
flour.
Mom, can I do some flour?
So it's unbleached, but if it was, I don't know if like,
I don't know what it is. Mommy?
okay.
Okay, this one.
And I just like have an old butter container and I just mix up my flour and stuff in it. And I just like store food and stuff in it. Like a, like if you go in my grandmother's refrigerator, all you see is butter containers. You don't know which one got butter in it because it got filled with everything else, like rice from 2 days ago, mac and cheese from the night before, like everything is in it besides what's supposed to be in it. Now, I put all my stuff in a plastic bag because my grandmother has my containers, like all my containers. She has them all. I left them at her house. So, and but this one, I just sprinkle. Okay, so this is how much regular flour I got inside. Okay, see, and with this one I just sprinkle enough to coat it at the top. So when I mix it and stuff, it'll be great. Now, with this, you don't have to use regular flour. You can just use this by itself. And you don't have to really season your chicken because it's already seasoned. But I like seasoning, so give myself some extra seasoning. And I just mix it together with a spoon. Make sure your oil is really hot, but if you guys watching this, you probably already know how to make fried chicken. It's how I make it. And the ingredients and stuff like that I use, it's pretty good. I like my fried chicken.
Let's make mac and cheese.
And my grandmother's fried chicken. Oh my god. It's like something with older people's cooking and stuff. Like I used to love my grandma's big macaroni and stuff like that for Thanksgiving. I used to fiend for it. Then when I became a family, and I had started my family, trick that I used to check to see if your oil was hot. A wooden spoon. You just stick the wooden spoon inside, and if it starts to like bubble around, then that means it's hot. If it don't, it's not hot. That's a little trick I learned. So my oil's still not hot enough for me to cook. So I'm gonna get my, and I'm using box mashed potatoes. I don't have time to make mashed potatoes from scratch. Idaho. I used to always call them Idaho, but it's Idaho, whatever. Mashed potatoes. It is quick. It is simple. It's easy. Boil the water, salt the water, put the mashed potatoes in, add some milk, add some butter, and then add your little salt and pepper if you want it at the end. And then it's done in about 3 minutes, and that's what she's gonna have. And broccoli, I got her some frozen broccoli because she loves broccoli. She would eat the whole bag of broccoli. Frozen broccoli, put it in the microwave, and you just heat it up for about 6 minutes, and it's steamed and it's good. Usually I buy broccoli leaves and stuff like that, but since I got the boys, I don't have time for that. So frozen broccoli it is still good, and she loves it. She'll eat this whole bag of broccoli by herself. And for me, I think I'm just gonna, I'm gonna eat broccoli with her tonight. I like my broccoli with cheese, so I might make a cheese little sauce, like a cheese little sauce. Just get some cheddar cheese and mix it up with some milk, and that's that. And broccoli. But that's what she's gonna have for dinner. Jeremy doesn't eat mashed potatoes, so he's gonna have onion rings. He loves onion rings. That's what he wants. That's what he's gonna eat. And so me and Mom's gonna eat mashed potatoes and broccoli and fried chicken, and he's gonna eat fried chicken and onion rings. So let me get this food cooking, good looking, and I will be back in a few. Good night, you guys. We will see you tomorrow. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And comment down below in the comments. And share our video. Again, remember you guys, always dare to be bold, dare to be different, dare to be you. Signs out. Peace out. Unofficially normal. I forgot to show you guys how the chicken looks, so this is how the chicken came out. Extra crispy. Yeah. And I didn't get a chance to make the mashed potatoes because there was something in the box, so I made macaroni and cheese and broccoli.